Hey Naturalistas, we're going to jump right in, and this is a high definition lace closure from the tailored hair collection, and we're going to be protecting it from getting dye on the lace today. So you're going to need some 𝗙𝗵𝗶, the yellow kind, and then you'll also need a brush. Go ahead and just smooth it out, spread it all onto the bottom of the lace, and again, this is really going to protect the lace from getting dye on it. So go ahead, lather it up. It will not like dry completely, but you do want to let it dry and sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. It's going to get tacky. Then I'm going to put it onto my canvas head so that I can get ready to dye it. You'll also need a mascara spoolie and a bowl. This is the jet black influence dye that I'm going to be using. If you would like to purchase some of this, go ahead and email me at 𝘃𝗏𝗄𝐿𝑒𝑟collection@gmail.com. This is a professional only brand and you cannot get it in the stores. I'm going to change the contrast so you guys can see the brown versus the black, and you're going to take your spoolie and just hit all of the roots. Do this to the front and the back of the roots, and you're going to do this throughout the whole closure piece. Make sure your sections are not super thick. They should be about a finger width apart in thickness because you want the hair dye to get through all of the hair strands. Be really careful around this part because obviously this is the front of the closure piece, but I like the spoolie because it also is able to brush the hair in the direction that you want it to go. So I'm able to precisely put color on and brush the hair in the right direction. Now that the closure roots are fully colored, we're going to go ahead and move to the actual lip of the hair, which is really easy. I just use my brush and massage it in. So you guys got this part. Now we're all done, and as you guys can see, no color got on the lace. This is truly HD high definition transparent lace. You can see straight through it, honey. I have not bleached the knots yet. Now here is a clip of the knots after being bleached. So I did dye the hair first and then bleach the knots, and it still looks great. No dye on it whatsoever. This was used in a lace closure wig, and I'm going to show you that here shortly. My HD high definition lace is amazing. This wig looks amazing, and you can shop at the 𝗃𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗏𝗏collection.com. Thanks for watching.